Hi, I'm Mary and this is Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I am making delicious cilantro lime rice in the Instant Pot. One more time, one more recipe for the Instant Pot. I just love it. It's so easy and convenient and quick and I can't think of anything bad about it except it's super big and when I'm not using it, I have to store it in the garage. So to get started, I'm gonna do the rice first. You wanna rinse the rice off. I rinse it with running water. I've actually seen videos where people dip it in water and swish it around, and either way is fine. You just want to rinse it until the water runs clear. 1 cup of rice, rinsed, going into the Instant Pot. 1 cup of water, just any kind of water. You could actually use broth if you want to add a little more flavor. Now I need 1 teaspoon of zest, lime zest, and I'm just going to zest it right into the pot. Now I need a tablespoon of lime juice. That was from 1 lime. That made 1 tablespoon. It's going to depend on your lime though. Okay, and now I need about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. This is going to end up being more because I really like cilantro. I'm just snipping it with this little scissors thing in here, but you can chop it up. And you want it kind of finely chopped. And I use the stems and all with cilantro. I love the stems. They taste just like cilantro. So I put it in there, and whenever I make salsa, I put it in there. And then, I don't know if you've seen this thing. I actually got this from a fundraiser, I think, from one of my grandkids' fundraisers. And you can see this thing cleans it out. Half a teaspoon of olive oil. You could use any kind of oil though. And half a teaspoon of salt. That's kosher salt. Again, you can use any kind of salt. Now I'm just going to stir this up. Okay, now the lid goes on. Make sure the steamer is closed. We're going to set this for 3 minutes on pressure cook. Okay, now it's going to go for 3 minutes. Remember, it has to build up pressure first, then the 3 minutes, the clock starts ticking. Then it's going to pressure cook for 3 minutes, and then we're going to let it naturally release. That means we're not going to touch this steamer nozzle here until after 10 minutes, and then once the 10 minutes is up, then we're going to release that. But that's going to come later, and I will see you after this is done pressure cooking. Okay, just remember, when that red button there is up, that means you cannot open up your Instant Pot. You have to wait until that goes down. And this is your pressure release. We're not releasing the pressure yet. We're letting it release naturally, and then we're gonna flip that over once it's done releasing naturally for 10 minutes and release any extra steam. Now, if there's any steam, notice that button has already gone down right here. So that means there's no more pressure. Okay, I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of lime zest. And I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more lime juice. And we'll stir that up. Look at how perfect this rice is. And here we are. I added on some more cilantro. You don't have to do that. I have found that for people who don't like cilantro, parsley is a good alternative. Not when you're making cilantro lime rice, because then it would be parsley lime rice. But I happen to love cilantro. I think it's quite delicious. It's actually very good for you. I hope you try this delicious cilantro lime rice at home. Try it in your Instant Pot. Let me know how you like it. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. You take care now.